The signs say, "Stop the war on bikes."
I stopped at 2nd Street to make a left, and you're not allowed to make a left turn on red. So I got over to the side of the curb and put my foot down on the curb and kind of walked my bike around the curve. And then when the light turned, I went across 2nd Street and went across Rehoboth Avenue, and he picked me up for making a left turn on red. I mean, I wasn't even riding my bike.
Skip Dunbar, a Rehoboth Beach resident and bicycle shop employee, claims bicyclists are being singled out by police.
Now people are coming back after renting bicycles and returning them, saying that they can't deal with the police because they're singling out bicycle riders in town and they will never come here again.
They seem to enforce the traffic laws only for bicycles.
Frank Cole, owner of Atlantic Cycles, says he's concerned traffic laws aren't being equally enforced between motorists and bicyclists.
We witnessed it on an almost daily basis, and you would see car after car after car breaking certain city ordinances, yet the first person on a bicycle that came by, they would be pulled over, their information would be run, and they would be given either a ticket or a warning.
According to Rehoboth Beach Police, 132 bike violations were given in June this year, compared to only 97 in June last year. In July, 140 bike violations, up from 129 last July. But City Manager Sharon Lynn says the city does not target anyone. It's just officers doing their jobs.
They certainly have a job to do, and they go out every day to do their job, and they do a very good job at enforcing the local laws.
Lynn says the city is going to keep up with the crackdown, but Cole says he's not ready to put the brakes on this fight just yet. In Rehoboth Beach, Abby Smith, WRDE Delmarva's own NBC station.